If your radiators aren't heating up properly or they have cold spots, there are a few simple steps you can take to diagnose and fix the issue. Let's start with the most common causes and their solutions. Check the water pressure. Low water pressure is a common problem in modern central heating systems. Locate the pressure gauge on your boiler or system and ensure it reads between 1 and 1.5 bar. If you need more help with this, watch our How to Check Your Water Pressure video by clicking up here for instructions on finding the right type of pressure gauge. If the pressure is too low, we also have a collection of videos on how to top it up, which you can find here, catering to different types of systems. Bleed your radiators. If the water pressure is fine, but some of your radiators seem cold at the top when your heating is on, you could try bleeding the affected radiators. Our How to Bleed Your Radiators videos demonstrate the quickest and easiest method for bleeding them. Check your radiator valves. If your radiators aren't fully heating up, check if your radiator valves and thermostatic radiator valves, also known as TRVs, are fully open. If you're unfamiliar with TRVs and how they work, we have a great video guide here explaining what they are and how to use them. If you think one or more of your TRVs could be faulty, it's best to contact one of our gas-safe registered engineers to arrange a visit for a repair or replacement. Check your thermostat. If your heating simply isn't coming on at all, or the radiators on a specific floor aren't heating up, it could indicate a thermostat issue. The thermostat might be faulty, need a quick reset, or something as simple as changing the batteries. We have a range of videos that guide you through rebooting or restarting Nest, Hive and ESI thermostats. Feel free to check them out below. If you're still having issues with your radiators after all these checks and tests, don't worry. This is where we come in. We have dedicated gas-safe registered engineers ready to get the job done for you. Just click the link below to book your desired date in and we'll get your radiators back up and running.